Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get your mobile screen mirroring on your computer. This application is only for Android devices and Windows computers. And we can see that many a time when we try to mirror our devices, our phones on our desktop, we have to have some type of uh, software that we have to subscribe. So like this one you are seeing on the screen, all of them are subscription based. You have to download it. You have a trial version. Sometimes they come with watermark, and those watermark, if you don't remove it, they are kind of very annoying. It makes your video look so ugly. So at the end of the day, you have to pay them some money. But in this video, I'll be showing you simple codes how to run on your computer to have this service 100% free. And this is your own. It is your own, your very own app that you will run on your computer. All right. So you see, without wasting more time, let's get started. So I have this folder on the screen here. I'll be linking the link below in the description so you can be able to download it. All right, and install the code. When you open it, you will see when you extract it, you will see this folder here, and then when you open it, these are the code that you will see. But you'll only be running this one in the green that has the application. All right, so this is the application. So you have to only run it one time on your computer. So I have already run it on this computer and it is working fine. And so therefore, as I'm going to be clicking on it or double clicking on it, it's going to automatically detect my mobile that is connected using a USB connection. But also I must tell you, for you to have this one connected, you should be able to make your Android devices on USB debug mode. So you have to get into the developer section, the developer mode, and I'll be showing you shortly how to go into your developer mode from your Android device, and then you'll be able to activate it, and then you turn it on. Okay, so this is the way to enable the USB debugging on your Android phone. So you go to settings, and then you come to about phone. You scroll down to about phone. About phone, you double click it, you open it. From there you come to software information, you open it. Then you come to build number. Sometimes it asks you to tap like 3 times or 5 times. It depends on how they will tell you. So when you double click it like 3 times, so for me, you see that it's telling me no need, developer mode has already been enabled. So I don't need to, because I've already done it. So from here, you should be able to come back home. And when you come back, when you exit this page, you should be able to see this developer mode activated. So you click on the developer mode, and then you come down here, and then you say USB debugging. You have to be enabled. So when you enable this button, you should be able to get your screen mirroring from your phone directly by using this application you just installed. All right, so this is the way to get your developer option mode activated. So as you click, it should be able to detect your device. So for the first time, when you double click it like this, it's going to ask you to run the codes. As you run this code like this, it should be able to be installed. And then, but for me, I've already installed it. That's why you are able to see it's already detected my device that is connected on this computer. All right. So if it's the first time, you come here and then you search for SCRCPY. Okay, SCRCPY. I've double spelled it here. So you will see the application. This is the application here. All right, and then you have to open it. When you open it, and it's going to pick up your screen, and then you can do your recording. All right. So if you have any screen recording application like Movavi, you can be able to actually manipulate on it and get it properly done. And the good thing about this is that even if your screen is locked, you can be able to actually detect your screen. So right now, as you can see, my phone is locked. So actually I have to use my fingerprint to open it. All right, so I can be able to get access to the application. And you can use your mouse to actually control the applications here. So for example, you can play videos on it. Let's say you go on YouTube, you can see, you can be able to watch videos on YouTube, like, see. So like I can go on my channel right now, my new channel, and I can be able to see all of these videos that I've been creating. So you see, so basically this is it, and it is so helpful. And it's no subscription, you're not going to pay anything, it is forever on your mobile phone. All right guys, so thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a like and share.